Okay, actually po, bago lang din po ako. Okay, I'm just new with Thrive. Okay. Actually, I wasn't, knowing about the business itself. I just, what you call, I contact Mr. Vincent from Abu Dhabi because for me, I have a condition. Okay. I have a cervical herniation from C1 to C7 and a lower back of L1 and L2. So, totally, ano na po ako, for surgery itself. Okay? Am I okay? I was scheduled for surgery, so I searched for natural, for natural way to cure my uh, to have the my pain for the pain management. So I came up with the Pride with the Itera Care. So I contact Mr. Servins about this one. So immediately when I tried the device, it totally amused me, and you know, and I immediately acquired this classic. Then when Mr. Servins told me that because I'm planning to buy for my family as well because they have some, for my father, my brother who's having a kidney issue. So I want to purchase them. Then he offered me this offer before in Philippines. So without second, immediately I grabbed that one. Then he told me that after that one, if you want to, to become a distributor, why don't you try it? It's okay. So because for the product itself you don't need to think if you want to do it to do the business or no. So I tried the business as well. So but first of all, for 1 month I'm just using the product itself, the classic. I'm using it. So the impact for me, for my wife, for my father, for my family is so, unbelievable. So then I started to share it because once you want to do the business of this one, be a product, yourself should be the product of what your business is. So then I started sharing it. Then for my friends, for my colleagues, okay. Then I shared to my boss, okay, which is a national here, a UAE national. So I shared it. He told me what happened to you, how you recovered. Actually, now my movement for my neck, for my spine is 98% okay now. Okay,
Wow.
it's 98% okay now. Thank you. Praise God. Praise Mr. Vincent also for introducing me the product also, especially Pride for having this device. I was,
Wow.
what you call this one? I avoided the surgery because three doctors told me to do the surgery without excuse, no excuse, surgery, surgery. But I don't want to do it. So because of Thrive, the Itera Care, so now I'm 98% recovered. And this is what I'm sharing to my friends, to my boss, to my colleagues. And my boss, actually, without doing what you call a demo to him, he asked me what you are using. I told him this blower. Okay, give me one. I need one. Okay, when he used it, the first thing he used it for is for his father because his father cannot walk. He have back pain because of the age as well. When he used it, just 5 minutes of blowing, his father was so amazed. Then afterwards, the next day, he recommend this blower to his families. And now we're on the way for the third product for their order. Just last couple of days, we already ordered one. Okay, and now coming this week, hopefully, they said inshallah it will come. And also one from the Philippines. Now I just purchased it. One more classic. So from in Philippines in Lucena because his brother is having some prostate cancer. So this one, hopefully, and I know it will help his brother. So this is the, this is the magic, and this is what our product is capable of. So being me as a living testimony of our product it's not, it's not difficult to share. I'm just a newcomer also with this with Pride, but anywhere we go, don't be shy to share, share, share. Even you share with 10, someone will say yes. That 9 will say no, but completely share it, because some people, they are what you call, as per my experience, they are they are what you call this one. They don't want to accept that they need the product until there's someone, they need some proof. But just continue sharing, sharing, because it's our product. You is so amazing. You know, you don't think twice to share it, because for me, I want to, me and my wife, we are praying that we want to help people. We want to help people from their illness or their pain, because we're been there. But now we found this device, this Itera with the Prime. We have the tool to share this one and to help even those people who don't have, capacity to have this product. Because what I'm doing now is I'm sharing with people. Even I had a experience that one Pakistani national who's been stroke for 7 years, just for only one session, he managed to move, his legs, his hands. I was so, in tears when I saw that one in my own eyes. So this is the experience that I have experienced with Thrive, and also with the team, Sir Vincent, also now with the team with the MLA. I was so happy with the community, and hoping to, uh, you know, to meet more people like you guys, and to inspire people as well, and to help people with the pain that they are going through. So now, for me, I want to thank you all, and God bless us all in helping more and more people. So that's for me. Then thank you, everyone.